Hello. What's your name?
Henry?
Henry. What do you got today? Whoa. Let me see it. It's the Marvel Avengers Titan Hero Series Incredible Hulk toy.
Yeah.
Age 4 and up. Uh-oh, you're only 2. Uh-oh. Let's see what the back says. Hulk smash. Oh my. That's pretty cool. He's got his purple pants all ripped up. Alright. You want to open it? Need some help?
Yes. Need some help at the box.
Okay. Alright, can you take it from there? Oh my. There he is. Whoa. That's cool. Do his arms move?
Yes.
Alright, move his arms around. They go all the way back like that. Let's see him up close. Whoa. That's a mean guy.
He's big and tall is gonna make. He's the bigger monster is gonna make.
He's a big monster?
And his pants is very easy for me.
How many toes does he have?
Yes, mess.
Okay. Now what?
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.